Hello, and welcome to another episode of Xact Hacks brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about the dates right here. Under the Claim Info tab, under Insured Info, and you can see I'm in the carrier profile as I have access to coverage and loss, we have these dates, and I am on the West Coast normally, although I'm currently in Montana, and I have it under Pacific Standard Time. And I see a lot of people when we're training going through here and manually entering, 11, 18, and then this was at 2:40, 24, what's the time here? 2:28, 91, 12:59, great, right? It's very detailed. And on some estimates, program work, things like that, that information can be very important that it is correct. But in the majority of estimates, it's not essential, and sometimes you need to complete it. So you can actually double click right here. It looks like I screwed up the first one by touching it in the first place, but you can double click and you can see it automatically loaded the date and time that is on my computer. I've not updated my time to Montana time, so it's actually showing current Pacific Coast time on that double click. And then date contacted, again, just double clicking. So you can fly through these sections right here just by double clicking. Of course, my first date of loss isn't working because I used it as an example to show you in the first place. So this has been another Xact Hack. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully this helps you speed up this process of filling out these dates if it's not critical on the estimate you're working on. And hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.